Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to connect Printify to Amazon step-by-step guide 2025. Here's how to connect Printify to Amazon in just a few steps. First of all, make sure you have an Amazon professional seller account. The individual plan won't work. Next, enable Amazon MWS Marketplace Web Service. This allows Printify to sync with Amazon. Now go to your Printify dashboard, click Manage Store, then select Amazon. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize Printify with your Amazon account. Now design your products on Printify and publish them to your Amazon store. Make sure you set the right categories and update product details in Amazon Seller Central. Amazon requires custom shipping settings. Set your Printify products to merchant fulfilled and adjust shipping rates. And that's it. Your Printify products are now live on Amazon. Start selling and watch your business grow. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.